on the trail of earliest city. Question number 1. Why do people move from place to place? Answer. If they had stayed at one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plants and animals resources. Number 2. Animals move from place to place either in search of smaller prey. Number 3. Plants and trees bear in different seasons. Question number 2. Why do people live near ponds, waterfall and river? Answer. People, plants and animals need water to survive. Question number 3. Why do people living on banks of pond go in search of water? Answer. People living on the bank would have to go in search of water during the dry season. How do tribal people make their tools? Answer. Tribal people made and use tools of stones, woods and bones. Question number 5. For what purpose earliest people used tools? Answer. These tools were used to cut meat and bone, scrap bark and hide animal skin, chop fruits and roots. Some may have been attached to handle of bones or wood to make spear and arrows for hunting. Other tools were used to chop wood. Question number 6. What do you mean by habitation calm factory? Answer. We find blocks of stone tools that were made in perhaps discard because they are not perfect. Chips of waste stones left behind in these cities. Some people live here for longer spells of time. These cities are called habitation of calm factory. Number 7. What are the two different techniques to make tools? Answer. First is called stone on stone. The pebble from which tools was to be made was held in one hand, which was used as a hammer was held in other hand. The second stone was used to strike off flax from the first till shape was obtained. Number 2. Pressure flaking. Here the core was placed on a firm surface. The hammer stone was used on a piece of bone or stone that was placed on the core to move flakes that could be shaped into tools. Question number 8. List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers used fire. Answer. Many things as a source of light, to roast meat and to scare away animals. Next question. What tools would you see today for cutting fruits? What would they made of? Answer. We use knife for cutting fruits. It is made up of wood and steel. List the good items eaten by hunter-gatherers and you today. Food of hunter-gatherers. Today, food we eat meat. Hunter-gatherers eat meat, fruits, leaves, roots, seeds, egg. Today food we eat rice, chapati, paratha, roti, pasta, dairy products. Stone tools. A. These are example of the earliest stone tools. B. They were several thousand years later. Number C. These were made later still. Number D. These were made about 10,000 years ago. Number E. These are natural pebbles.